Good morning everyone. Today we'll start next collar, Peter Pan collar. Okay, for the Peter Pan also. This is front part. You'll be getting like this Peter Pan collar. Okay, this is back part. Okay, this is placket, front part placket. Same, whatever the drafting we are drafting for the before collars, same drafting like that only. Okay, I will explain about the drafting. And here one more point, for the Peter Pan collar, back part neck deep we can take till 2 inches. Okay, and front part neck deep is 4.5 inches till that level, depends upon your neck round. We can take 4.5 inches, 3.5, like that we can take it. Now let's see the drafting. Already we drafted in the before classes. Okay, for the front part drafting, leave 0.5 inch spacing, and back part no need of any space because back is armhole side. Okay, and front 0.5 inch space I am leaving, and draw one straight line. From here draw one more straight line. From here your neck round. Okay, already before classes we drafted. If you have any doubt you can refer before classes. From here take neck width. Neck width is neck round divided by 4 minus 0.5 inches, and shoulder plus 1 divided by 2 from the armhole side. 1.25 inches is the shoulder slope marking. From here take armhole. Armhole is chest divided by 6 plus 1 inch. Okay, whatever the value we are getting, draw one straight line. This is called chest line. And next one is chest round marking. For the chest round marking, chest plus 3 inches losing divided by 4. How much value you are getting? From here take a marking and extra margin 1 inch, 1.5 inch. How much margin you want you can add it. Now from here to here mark the center. From the center marking take full length plus 1 inch. Draw one straight line. This is the full length line. Now waist round marking. For the waist round marking, waist round plus 2 inches losing divided by 4. Take one marking and from here add extra margin. Join chest line and the waist line. Okay, next armhole. For the armhole from here to here mark the center. From the center marking take 1 inch inside, and from here take 0.5 inches inside. Take 0.75 as the cross marking. If your chest is less than 40, take 1 inch as the cross marking if your chest is greater than 40. Draw one straight line and take your arm scale. Okay, from here to here draw one straight line. Take your arm scale and join the curve shape. This is for the front arm. Okay, from here, next from this point to take 0.5 inches inside for the back arm. Okay, draw a straight line. Okay, take your arm scale and join. This is for the back arm. Next one is neck deep marking. For the neck deep marking, from here take 2 inches for the back part neck deep, and from here I am taking 4 inches for the front neck deep. Okay, till here yesterday whatever we drafted, you know, everyone knows the drafting. If you have any doubts in the drafting, you can refer previous videos. Okay, let's start cutting. After done cutting, okay, we need to attach the plackets. For the placket, already we discussed before class how to take the placket and all. Okay, length of the placket is how much it is, the same length I am taking, and width of the placket is 2.5 inches. Okay, here the width of the placket is 2.5 inches because the ready is 0.75 inches. Now first for the stitching, first we'll finish the placket and shoulder attachment. Okay, after cutting, first we'll stitch the placket. How to stitch the placket and all before classes we discussed already. If you have any doubt you can refer. Now, okay, for the collar finishing and all we are taking neck parts. How to take it, let's see. This is back block, right? Take your canvas on the armhole side, place here back. This is armhole and this is canvas is also armhole side. Place it and start tracing of neck. Okay, next take 1 inch margin. This is for the back, and for front part also we'll be getting 2 pieces, right? This is neck part. Don't waste the canvas. Where it will be adjusting, you can try to take like that. This is shoulder part. You should note down, otherwise these both are looking like same. At the time of attachment you will be getting confusion. That's why you have to mention shoulder part this side. Then start cutting. Now take extra piece of fabric and stick these pieces to the fabric. Okay, place pieces of fabric like this. This is the shoulder, this is neck finishing part, front part 2 pieces and back part 2 pieces. Stick like this and add a margin of 0.5 inches. Inside cut to cut, outside 0.5 inch margin. See, you will be getting the pieces like this. Downside 0.5 inch margin, top side cut to cut. Okay, for the front parts also like this, shoulder side cut to cut and other side, whatever the placket side is there, I took margin of 0.5 inch. How to attach I will show. First one is, this is back part shoulder part and front part shoulder part. Place right side, right side. Okay, attach for the half inch like this, right side place it and shoulder attachment. Okay, then you will be getting like this. After shoulder attachment you will be getting like this. Okay, next main blocks, shoulder attachment, back side and front side.